Would you like to learn how to put strip lashes on? I can show you. I do it every single day. It helps me to feel more awake and look more glamorous every single day. It helps me feel healthy and powerful when I have my lipstick and my lashes on. Oh yeah, and my perfume. So you're going to need a few tools. One of the things is you're going to need some strip lashes. So I buy mine at Winners or Marshalls, and these are 5 pairs for $9.99. And you can get different types. This is the Cala brand. And so you, depending on the shape and how much heaviness you want, or drama, or lightness, you can decide which pair you want to go for. And that's the joy of wearing strip lashes, is that you can change your look every single day, or twice a day. If you wanted to take lashes off and get ready for something a little more dramatic for the evening, you can do it easily. So that's what I love about strip lashes. Now, I can tell you, I've been wearing strip lashes every day for quite a while. And the thing, I like a nice flexible band. So I'm going to show you this lash. See how there's open spaces in the band there? That is so nice and transparent, and it's all bendy. It's just wonderful. So there. That is a really good band for doing our lashes. Now these have been cleaned. I wear them about a week a pair. But what I do is each evening, when I take them off, I hold them like that, and then I just gently lift off the glue along the edge, gently. You will go through a few pairs of lashes before you get the gently part right, and then you'll go, I know what she means about gently now. I actually started off on e.l.f. lashes at the dollar store because I was new at it. And yes, I had some beautiful House of Allure lashes and things like that. But at $30 a pair, I was really going to practice on e.l.f. And that's what I recommend for everyone, is to practice on the e.l.f. lashes or something like that. These for 5 pairs for $9 are fabulous too. So you've got your lash ready. Now you're going to, but before you even get the lash ready, I might not be able to tell, but I actually have curled these eyelashes and put mascara on. So I use a MAC curling iron. And my favorite is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I love this. I use waterproof because you just never know. And then, of course, my favorite glue for lashes is the Duo Lash Glue, and it's the green one with the brush. So, oh, and don't forget to wash your hands all the time. Before you ever touch your face, wash your hands. So here's the lash. So I take the brush, and I just gently, you remember that word, gently, go over the lash, okay? And I just make sure there's glue on the ends, and that's what it looks like. We wait 20 seconds. So while we're waiting that 20 seconds, we are putting it on the perfect tweezer for lashes. This is the only one I will use. I love it. So here we are. Just go like that. Get the lash on the tweezer, okay? Never, ever, ever blow on your lashes, ever. Well, we're gonna have a coffee break now because that's what time it is while we wait for this. I love coffee. I have 2 cups every day before I start the day. And that's, while I'm getting ready, while I'm doing things, I'm doing all sorts of things. But, another thing too is, do you have a spot that you can call like your little vanity? I invite you to to keep an eye open in the spring and summer now to maybe pick up a vanity at a garage sale or see what's available for you. And put one of these mirrors from Michaels. They're about maybe 24 inches by 12. And that could be your centerpiece. And you know what I like about that is I can sterilize it as soon as I finish my work every day on doing my makeup or anything I've done. So it's pretty handy. Next thing you need is a mirror. I need a magnifying mirror so that I can put my lash on. So the lash has been 20 seconds, okay? Now, you're going to actually have your eye open and you're going to sit the lash center to center. You're actually going to put it right on the very spot where the lashes meet the skin, your eyelid. Okay, so let's just make sure you can actually see what I'm doing here. So, placing it down, okay, going to the other end, taking that, pressing it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go to the inner edge, grab that, and press that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you put a lash on. Now, it can be that simple. However, you need to do a lot of practice to get it to be that simple for you. So I highly recommend that if you're going to start doing this, you start on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, putting your lash on. And depending on how comfortable you are and how dramatic your lash is, you might want to pick up a couple different sets to see. Because I have a hooded eye here, I always wear lashes because that makes sure that I look dressed and ready for the day every day, and it just perks me right up. The other thing about these is that when you take them off, make sure that you always have 99% isopropyl alcohol so that you can spray your lashes every night after you take them off and remove a little bit of that strip glue, because you want to make sure that you are putting clean product on your face every day. The other thing is always have the spray alcohol there so you can spray your eyelash curler, spray the mirror that your workstation, spray the tweezers every day, because cleanliness is close to godliness. And when it comes to your eyes, you really want to be careful. I highly recommend that you use a quality glue like the Duo, because that is really the game changer. So that's how you put on a lash. That's how I put on a lash. And I'm just checking my inside to make sure, yeah. Sometimes, just wait a moment just to check and see. You might have to hold it longer. I'm not sure, depending on your skin and what's on your skin. But there I am. I'm ready. Now I can go finish my hair, put my my jewelry on, and get dressed. That's how you put on lashes. Let me help you be your own kind of beautiful.